Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming physical connections and capabilities. Plug the primary monitor into the preferred port, usually DisplayPort or HDMI, and attach the second to the remaining output, using a passive adapter only if necessary. Once done, power both displays and boot the computer, then open your graphics control panel or Windows display settings so you can verify detected monitors. Make sure to install or update GPU drivers before adjusting resolutions. This prevents detection issues and unlocks scaling options. With both screens recognized, drag them to mirror your physical layout to get mouse movement to feel natural. Next, select each monitor and set its native resolution and preferred refresh rate. Do this per monitor because different panels need different settings. For example, 1920x 1080 at 60 Hz versus 2560x 1440 at 75 Hz. Once you configure resolutions, choose Extend for extra workspace and assign the primary display for toolbars and full. Finish by adjusting scaling so text and UI appear similar across different pixel densities. Set 100% on one and 125% on the higher density monitor if needed, and then use color calibration or nightlight to harmonize appearance. After positioning windows and saving display profiles, check GPU control panel for multi-monitor profiles. If things go wrong, one monitor flickers or isn't detected, reseat the cable. Try a different cable or port and update the GPU driver. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.